My Maria, Austin Brown and Tim Foust. Stay tuned. This is going to be a good one. You know this song? I can't remember who does it, but it's a cool song. Yeah, I really like this one. And it's gonna be pretty cool to see these guys from Home Free do their version of it. It looks like they're just doing it in the backyard. I guess they got a little setup back there. I'm sure whoever's watching this already knows. So, I mean, I don't, but I don't know. Ready to check it out. Should be a good one. Let's do it. Here we go.
My Maria, don't you know I've come a long, long way? I've been longing to see her. When she's around, she takes my blues away. Sweet Maria, the sunlight surely hurts my eyes. I'm a lonely dreamer on
just got to me. I was like, instruments.
My Maria, I love you, girl. Oh, my Maria, Maria, I love you, girl. Maria, I love you. My Maria, there were some blue and sorrow times. Just my thoughts about you bring back my peace of mind. Gypsy lady, gypsy lady, gypsy lady, you're a miracle work for me. You set my soul free like a ship sailing on the sea. She is the sunlight when the skies are gray.
Awesome brown shirt
She
on.
treats me so right, lady, and take me away. Take me away. My Maria, oh, Maria, I love you, girl. Oh, my Maria, 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 I love you, girl. Maria, I love you. My Maria, oh, Maria, I love you, girl. Oh, my Maria, 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 I love you, girl. Maria, I love you. My Maria, oh, Maria, I love you, girl. Oh, my Maria, Maria, I love you, girl. Maria, I love you. My Maria, oh, Maria, I love you, girl. Oh, my Maria, Maria, I love you, girl. Maria, I love you.
All right, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in to this, one of our favorite,
heck yeah.
duos ever, Brooks and Dunn, arguably the greatest duo ever, honestly. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe, do all the YouTube things, leave a comment, it really helps the algorithm. But yeah, I'm just here, I'm really grateful today to be here with a good, dear friend of mine, my bandmate, Tim Foust. I love him dearly, Chris Chatham. We got Chris Marion down there, Sebastian Duyan. I'm just lucky to play with all my friends. And if you want to see us do this in person, that's actually kind of a possibility.
You can bring us to your backyard. As you can tell, we're very comfortable in backyards. So bring us to yours. You can do that at timfaustmusic.com. And then while you're at it, go get yourself one of these.
Well, that's at austinbrownmusic.com, and you can find that and all kinds of other awesome things there. You would know by now, so I won't tell you too much. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to the cicadas in the background, and I guess we'll see you next time.
Definitely do all what he said, you know, to their channel. Yeah, I noticed he had the Austin Brown shirt on when he's in there. I thought, wait a second, what's Tim doing with that on? Cool. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was really good. I mean, you know, just right there up there with the original. It was great. I really enjoyed it. They switched around on parts a little bit, and you know, for a real deep voice guy, sure hit some high notes like always, and yeah, did an awesome job. Really liked it, and actually had a band this time. That's, you know, no acapella. I didn't think about it for a second. It took me like 10-20 seconds in it to realize, oh, it's not acapella. There's actually a band there. What the crap? If you guys got any more suggestions and stuff, you can throw those in the comment section. Any more, I don't know if they have any more outdoor or backyard stuff or not. Willing to check some more of that out as well. And if you guys haven't already, check out my friends over at Appy Trail Bites. They are a small, veteran-owned business that sell Delta 8 edible stuff. All their info is down in my description below. Check them out. I'm gonna head off here, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.